from transfer of shares to the other people is known as a private company. A public company is a company which allows the general public to buy their shares. Differences. Point 1. Minimum number of members required for a private company is 2, and the minimum number of members required for a public company are 7. Maximum number of members required for a public company should not exceed 50, but in a public company there is no limit for the maximum number of members. Minimum paid up capital. In a private company, the minimum paid up capital must be 1 lakh, but in a public company, the minimum paid up capital must be 5 lakh. Identification. The private company must suffix private limited before its name, and a public company must suffix public limited before its name. Transfer of shares. Private company cannot transfer to other people, but a public company can sell or share their transfer or shares to the other people. Commencement of business. A private company can start its business immediately after its incorporation, but a public company cannot start its business after its incorporation. It has to wait for the certificate to start its business. Board of Directors. The minimum board of directors required for a public company are 3 and maximum are 20 members. And the minimum board of directors required for a private company are 2 and maximum there is no limit. Managerial remuneration. The private company does not have restriction on the remuneration of managerial directors, but a public company has restrictions on remuneration of board of directors. Quorum. In a private company, for a meeting 2 members are required. In a public company, for a meeting 7 members are required. 5 members are required. Loans.